Hello and welcome to the 3D video on the Canon EOS 5D Mark III camera. This is the kit, which includes the EF24-105 f4L IS USM lens. So today's March 24th, 2012. It's Saturday. Anyone who's done a pre-order and rush shipping would have it in their hands about now. Some lucky people would have got it sooner. In any case, this is the unboxing. So let's take a look. Comes in a nice box. There we go. As you can see, as it opens up, it's nicely packaged. We have here a little limited warranty. I actually bought an extended warranty for another 3 years after the initial year. It's probably worth doing so since this is not a this is a fairly pricey camera at $4,000 and up. We have here some additional more literatures. This is a US camera. So here we have plastics and cardboard. Let's see here. We have the manual itself in a nice plastic bag. I'll pull that out a little bit later. I think we all want to see what's in the box content. Let's see here. We now have a Canon EOS digital solution disc version 25.0 for the Macintosh as well as for Windows. What else here? We have a EOS digital software instructional manual for Windows for Macintosh. Okay. More cardboards here. Want to come out the other way, which would be take out the gonna have to shift this a little bit so that way you can actually see what the box looks like. Not easy taking this stuff out. Here we have the camera itself, nicely bubble wrapped. Here we go. And there it is. Has a nice feel to it. Back, bottom of it, side, top, and of course there is the lens that we'll get to in a second. Okay, and here is the other last addition to the box itself. It's a little difficult to get this one out. It seems to be pretty tightly snug fit in there. This is the box that contains the lens itself. So here's a direct view into the box itself, as well as the cable. This is a RCA cable. Looks like it has a video, left and right channel. This here looks like a USB, I guess this would be the USB cable to the camera itself. We have the strap, and of course it does say on it, this is the Mark III strap itself. The camera battery comes with a little plastic to protect the connectors. This is the viewfinder. I don't know the exact word, but it goes where the viewfinder is, and it just covers it up a little bit. This here is the battery charger. And finally, the lens itself. So again, fairly tight packaged in there. Takes a little bit to pull it out. Might be easier if I take the cardboard out of it. There we go. Here it is. Take the styrofoam off. Again, oops, that was not good. That's actually here it is. This is the Canon ultrasonic lens, zoom lens, the EF 24 to 105 millimeter. And of course, no worries, the only thing that just simply dropped off when I pulled it out is the other cover of the lens. Let me just take this one out so you can see it. There we go, and that would eventually go on top of the lens itself, like so. I won't put it on right this very moment. And one other item in here is the little leather pouch that you can put your lens in. And there you have it. That is the unboxing of the contents from the Canon EOS 5D in 3D. So up next I'll have a 3D video on the camera itself. Enjoy.